सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै.
Now I invite Mr. Parambil Devkumar for the introduction of the program. Good morning to everybody. First of all, my salutations on the local speaker, the great representative and the spiritual leader, His Holiness Vidyadhara Tirthabala Chattambiswami, and the noted social reformer and the Nayar community leader, Bharata Desani Manmuthu Padmanabhan. Respected chief guest of today's program, Dr. Sudhekha Patil, faculty and the eminent teacher, Professor Jagad Tikuna, other dignitaries from the choirs and the audience, and the outset, compliment Belapur Nayar Service Society for their initiative in understanding the real need of the present youngsters and organize this prodigious program. Experts are of the opinion that by 2020, our motherland, India, will be the fourth superpower, presenting a nation to that prestigious position. Especially general education. I am concentrating much on the general education system. Technical education and other specialized streams, they have little more difference. He is concentrating more to the completion of what is that? Mind-boggling and cumbersome syllabus activities. Extracurricular, co-curricular and extramural activities which they are supposed to organize. These things are happening not in its real spirit, whatever way the educational experts they intend to do. It is many places these things are happening as an institutional ritual. It happens exactly because of this this nature that concentrate for completing their syllabus activities. The syllabus, you know, it is a lot of information are filled there in the syllabus. The process of transforming that information to knowledge is happening in the general education system. I am not saying that knowledge is not necessary. Knowledge is necessary. But knowledge is not sufficient. Knowledge is necessary, but it is not sufficient. I can share some examples with you. You may be knowing what is water. You know that 2 parts of hydrogen and 1 part of oxygen is making water. No. When you were a student of 5th standard, you have studied this. H2O water. Last so many years you are keeping this formula in your mind. in your memory. You have diverted and written in the examination answer paper. So, when there is no water at home, can you make water? Even though you know that what is water, H2O is water, can you make it? So the knowledge, whatever available with you, is not sufficient to perform certain things in your life. Or if there is no water at home, can you purchase 2 bottles of hydrogen and 1 bottle of oxygen and make water? No, you are not able to do it. Another 50 years you keep this knowledge with you and die. Another example I will tell you. You know that cigarette cover itself, it is written that smoking is injurious to health. True? By reading that statutory warning, people are smoking. Smoking is injurious to health. It is written there. The person must have read 50 articles about it. It will make cancer in the throat, lungs and everywhere. But still the person is smoking. Why? The person is having the knowledge. So what is lacking? If the knowledge is making the person perfect, you don't stop immediately after seeing the statutory warning immediately. I stop it. Anybody is telling like that? So something is lacking. What is lacking? Along with the knowledge, the necessary skills are to be there. Along with the knowledge, what is required? Skill. And the person should have the necessary attitude. So, knowledge is required. Along with the knowledge, necessary skills you should have. And along with the skill, the person should have the attitude to do it. Then there will be a behavioral change. Then only the person stops. Otherwise, simply keeping this knowledge on the cover of the cigarette, nothing will happen. That is why nobody is stopping the smoke. That is what I told. In the formal system of education, it is more of knowledge oriented. You are getting lot of knowledge and there the transformation of the information to knowledge is the major activity happening in the formal system of education, especially in education. So that knowledge is not sufficient to become an achiever in the life. The non-formal education system and the non-governmental organization can play a vital role to plug this plug. So there is a plug we have seen that the plug should be plugged. Who can plug it? So there, this type of organization, therefore Lions Service Society, Rotary Club, Lions Club, these type of organizations should come forward and help the younger generation to plug this plug. How many of you are really wanting to do the personality development? So you are very serious? Yes. So I will share. I got some secrets from my guru. This foundation only I am standing. Superstructure I made by these techniques are done. The foundation where I am standing, which was supplied by my guru, that I will share with you because you are very close to me. You are close to me. How to break Pancha Pandavas in you. Can you break Pancha Pandavas? Who are the Pancha Pandavas? You know who are the Pancha Pandavas? Who are them? Bhima, Arjuna,
Yudhishthira, Zakul, Sahadev.
Bhima is the eldest one. Yudhishthira is the eldest. one. Then Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula, Sahadeva. These 5 personalities, if you can bring in you, definitely you can succeed in your life. It is not 5 different personalities. You have to make your personality the confluence of this Pancha Pandavas. Who is Yudhishthira?
Leader.
Dharmaputra. Dharmaputra means he is the personification of morality, moral values. Then the next one, Bhima. Who is that? Strength. The second thing required for your personality is strength. Third one is Arjuna. Who is Arjuna? Concentration. He had done that thing that the bird came down. So the concentration. And in that Pancha Pandavas, who is getting more predominance? Arjuna is getting, because concentration is the predominant quality you require in the personality. So concentration. The fourth one, Nakula. Who is that? Pleasing personality, pleasing prasannata, pleasing. When you talk to somebody, keep a smile on your face and talk. There will be a difference. Public speaking. इतना बड़ा करके इधर खड़ा रहेगा तो ये आदमी कौन है? So keep a smile always in your have a smile on a day and keep the doctor away. That is what the doctor is not with the doctor, I am affiliated. I help the other way. Keep a smile on your face. Definitely that will give a lot of positivity in you. What is that? Positivity. So the pleasing personality. The fifth one, that is the last one. Sahadeva. Who is Sahadeva? Sahadeva, Panditya, knowledge. You have to acquire the knowledge required to perform your function. That is, the fifth one is knowledge. In the beginning itself I told knowledge is required, but it is not sufficient. So, knowledge you have to acquire in the area where you are going to present. I want to talk about the Independence Day, but I know nothing about Independence Day. Can you talk? So, knowledge you have to acquire. So, these are the 5. This one always, this Kurukshetra Yuddha is happening. That what is happening in you? These are the 5 positivities and the negativities are there. Which are the negativities? Kauravas. Kauravas are the children of whom? Is the personality? Who is that person? Blind person's personality. It means what is blindness? Blindness is ignorance. Ajnana dimirankasya. है ना? So the piece, वो गांधारी भी कैसा था? वो भी ऐसा बांध के रखा था ना? उसका बच्चा लोग कैसा होएगा? So that ignorance is creating lot of problem. And if you have these 5 qualities, which are the 5 qualities? Morality, strength, concentration, basic personality, and knowledge. These are the 5 secrets of positivity. If you have, I can assure you that you can make wonders, if not miracles, in your life. This is foundation I am studying. So these 5 qualities always if you have, you can fight with the hundreds of negativities of Kauravas which are happening many times, any occasion. First, these negativities are coming because of your ignorance. So, accurate knowledge, try, achieve. Along with that, one more thing is required. 5 qualities. ये पंचपांडवस कभी भी श्री कृष्ण के साथ नहीं है तो कुछ होता है क्या? वो उसका अंकल है उधर चर्च करने के लिए. Every time these people were asking and taking the advice of Sri Krishna. Once it did not happen, so क्या हो गया? Even पांचा ही दीजिए. है ना? It means what is Sri Krishna is the personification of confidence, faith, belief. If you can develop these 5 qualities in you, my friends, I can assure, I cannot give you what this is. I cannot give. The Lord Sir cannot supply. He brought the 2 bags of personality and given to you. Everybody developed the personality and depended on it. It will not happen. If you can develop this one, and along with that, He taught me some lies. That's why I will share with you, since it is the beginning. In life to handle yourself, use your head. But to handle others, use your heart. Be strict and intelligently critical about yourself. And cushion your styles and attitudes with love. Try to love others. Next, everyone. Cushion your styles and attitudes with love, because love is the greatest persuasive power we know in life, and that is making the entire personality different. Thanks a lot. Thanks.